Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and Tura is here with her tea party set to invite you to the next collab challenge that she and I are doing with Jay at J Dolls UK, Tina at Tina's Reborns and More, Penny at Playful Reborns, and Dory at Dory's Dollies. And the idea is for you to show us your elves in a video on May 21st. We do it each month. The reminder comes out on the 7th of each month, and the challenge is on the 21st of each month. And this month's theme is Tea Party, and you can interpret that any way you like. You can see that Tura is channeling Alice in Wonderland. Now, will that be our setup? Well, you'll have to come and see. I really did try to iron this, but well, there it is. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. I really do hope you participate in this upcoming challenge. It's just so much fun. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.